Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're sorting out a hot shower here. We've got a massive leak on this. I want to show you what happens when I turn this on. When I press the button. So what we've witnessed here is pressure relief. There's a pressure relief system there. If for some reason there's obstruction on the shower hose or hose, there's pressure built up in here, and there's a pressure relief at the bottom. So we're going to open there with our Phillips screwdriver and see what the state is of this pressure relief, if it's defective or there was genuine pressure built up. Power off first. There's a power button there. I'll just let this hang, doesn't matter. Pressure relief is here. I'm going to touch this thing. The Phillips again. This is the heating element. It's inside here. Then we've got our pump here. That's the motor, of course. The motor and the pump body. Yeah. Then of course the pressure regulation there. There's usually a ball in here, but it's gone. So during that excessive pressure event, the ball popped out. Well, and I can't find it anywhere in the shower. It must be down the drain. It must have gone down the road. So I have no choice but to buy a new pressure relief valve. So there's a tiny little ball in there. When it pops, it usually gets lost, and it's left blank in there. So this is the new one that I'm going to put as a replacement. Need to check that now that I've switched on the shower, there is no leak at the bottom there. Yeah, it's dry. Thanks for watching.